Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Farhana bint Islam. Welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In our previous video, we have shown that how to arrange star topology. In this video, we will see that how to manage hybrid topology. So let's start the video. So first we have to take firstly I want to say that we will arrange it here a ring topology and a mesh topology, and after that we will connect it. Okay, let's start. So first I want to take a ring topology switch. Okay, and also now we have to connect it, so we need straight through wire because of this switch and this device is different. Okay, and this is same switch, same device, so we have to use crossover. Okay, okay, this is done. And now we have to also take for our mesh topology we have to take another one. So this is actually same this one. Okay, okay, just control and drag. So here you can see, here it is written that copy, 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 copy. Okay, this two is done, and this is like a ring topology. We have to make it mesh. For this we have to give wire in this part. Okay, so also give copper crossover because this is the same device. Okay, see, this is our ring topology, this is our mesh topology. So I want to give the name. After that we have to connect it through a wire, and this is same devices, so we can connect it this way. Okay, we also connect it here. So in this time we will give our IP address. See, this part is not connected, so no problem, you will connect it from this part. Okay, so I will remove this part. Okay, for this, so now this desktop. Okay, our all connection is done. Now check, and IP addressing also done. Okay, so now check, message delivery to here, successfully connected. Let's check it is connected or not. Our simulation part. See, this is transferring data. This is transferring this way. This is give the receiving part. This is delivering the output. See, our message is successfully done. Okay, so this is our hybrid, this is our ring topology, this is our mesh topology, and this is also this is our simulation part also done. So this is our hybrid topology. So I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz.